Hey, are you consuming more content than you're creating? If that's the case, it's time to turn things around. Hey there, I totally get it. As an entrepreneur or newcomer to the online business, you might want to lean more towards consuming content. You want to gather as much information as possible before making informed decisions. Or maybe you want to learn as much as possible before sharing your expertise confidently. But here's the thing, there is so much to learn. It's possible that you can get stuck scrolling on Facebook and watching videos on YouTube, listening to podcasts. There's just so much information out there that can distract you as well. I know it's all exciting and great, and I love learning too, but here's the golden nugget. Don't get drowned into consuming content. If you aspire to be a content creator or speaker, remember, if you're investing time into consuming, that same time could also be used to create. Now the truth is this, creating gives you more value than consuming ever can. Now picture this, why stay a spectator in the stands when you can actually take center stage for a change? Now audience is not just ready to hear your voice, they are ready to invest in your expertise. Yes, you can monetize your content through authentic voice. It's time to unleash that authentic voice within you and let it echo across the digital world. Hey there, I'm Lionel Tan from the Next Level Academy. Now inside our Next Level community, we have mentored countless ordinary individuals to transform them into international speakers and profitable course content creators. We are armed with our proven compounding creators framework to make this happen. Now look at what some of our students have done. Now Miss Yuan, who have generated over $43,000 in revenue with just one Zoom presentation. Now Mr. Sam, in his 50s, he is charging $3,500 per session for his speaking engagement. And Mr. Gam, who rate in over 269 leads by speaking at our virtual mega event. Now you see, content creation empowers your voice, allowing you to share your unique story, expertise, and skills. So, are you ready to emerge from the shadows and let your brilliance ignite the stage? Now your audience awaits, captivated, engaged, and ready to be dazzled by you. Now begin your journey from consumer to creator with our Compounding Creators Framework today. Now simply click on the registration link around this video to join our Compounding Creators Masterclass and lay your hands on our proven 8-figure marketing template and framework. I'll see you in class.